Meanwhile, Hong Kong health authorities saw a new record daily number of cases Monday, reaching 34,466 new infections.
As huge temporary isolation facilities are built, Hong Kongers wait to buy rapid test kits as the government now allows people infected with COVID to isolate and test themselves at home. At 8 locations around Hong Kong, rows of hundreds of cabins are approaching readiness. Because of the rise in new cases, there has not been any room to isolate patients in institutions, and the government testing facilities have not been able to keep up. Now, those with less serious symptoms are allowed to stay at home. They should test themselves and be able to show a negative result 14 days after their first positive diagnosis before ending isolation.
Indonesia decides to impose a 3 quarantine day rule for foreign travelers and Indonesian who has spent international travel, but this measure is just to be applied for them who have been fully vaccinated and received a booster shot.
Indonesia also plans to lift up mandatory quarantine days for international travelers arriving in Bali beginning March 14th. Coordinating Minister for Maritime Affairs and Investments, who also performs as coordinator of public activity restrictions in the Java and Bali Islands, Luhut Panjaitan, says the decision comes after experts' advisory and analyzing current data by comparing Indonesia's daily case number, which is in fact lower than the countries who have stopped mandatory quarantine. Luhut also noted more detailed policy related with Bali, where Indonesia plans to add more bubble hotels there and eases accommodations, including hotel room reservations, e-visas, and transportation for international travelers.
Pada 1 Maret mendatang, pemerintah hanya akan memperlakukan karantina 3 hari bagi PPLN yang sudah vaksinasi lengkap dan juga booster. Selain itu, pemerintah juga akan melakukan uji coba tanpa karantina bagi PPLN yang datang ke Bali dan direncanakan akan berlaku pada tanggal 14 Maret mendatang. Event internasional akan dilakukan di Bali selama masa uji coba tanpa karantina ini akan menerapkan ketentuan tes antigen tiap hari terhadap peserta tanpa keterkecuali. Selain itu akan dilakukan pencabutan kewajiban adanya sponsor penjamin untuk permintaan e-visa turis karena dinilai memberatkan wisatawan asing yang akan masuk